Welcome back to Joy Tutorials Educational Channel. BED Bachelor of Education first year, first semester, EDN first paper, Philosophical Perspectives of Education. Contents total 5 units. First unit examining the epistemological basis of education. Second unit examining the philosophical basis of education in a social context. Third unit school and social progress. Fourth unit educative process, understanding disciplines and knowledge. Fifth unit professional ethics and humanization of education. 2018 August 2018 paper EDN first paper philosophical perspectives of education, faculty of education, BD first year first semester examination. Part A 5 4 20 marks, total maximum marks 70 marks. Part A 20 marks, part B 50 marks, total 70 marks. First question, what do you understand by the term human nature? What are the various ways of knowing the truth? Third one, write a note on philosophical thoughts and Gandhi with reference to teaching and learning. Write a note on the contribution of Jiddu Krishnamurti in education. What principles should be kept in mind while selecting the content of a curriculum. Sixth one, write a note on hierarchy of values. Seventh one of the important aim of education in training for citizenship. Elaborate. Eighth one, why it is necessary to understand child rights as teachers. Part B 5 10 jar 50 marks. Ninth one, explain the professional code of ethics for teachers. 10th one, explain any two theories of knowledge presented by esteemed philosophers. 11th one, describe Jewish discovery theory of learning. What are the implications on the present day education system? The development of a society depends upon great extent on schools. How far you agree with this statement? Explain the concept of universalism, secularism, nationalism. What is the need to understand this concept? What are the various methods by which we can validate knowing? Illustrate with the suitable examples. 15th, explain the process of acquisition of language across curriculum. 16th, explain the conservative and progressive functions of schools. December 2018 oblique January 2019. Here EDN first paper. Part A 5 4 20 marks. Differentiate between reason and belief. First one. Second one, explain the meaning of philosophy and education. Third one, why academic freedom is necessary for both teacher and learner. Fourth one, what is the role of disciplinary knowledge in the school curriculum. Fifth one, what principles should be kept in mind while selecting the content of the curriculum. Sixth one, what do you understand by the terms of humanization of curriculum transaction? Seventh one, give a few examples of subjective values. Eighth one, explain the terms of academic freedom. Part B 5 10 jar 50 marks. Ninth question, how can you justify the paradigm shift from discipline centered curriculum to learner centered curriculum? Explain the professional code of ethics is envisaged by the NCTE. Nature of curriculum depends upon prevailing aims of education. Elaborate. Next one, examine Ambedkar's philosophical contribution to the social context. 13th, explain in detail Jewish discovery theory, learning. What is the educational implications? 14th one, what are the various kinds of knowledge? Explain in detail any two of them. Write a short notes on conservative and progressive features of school. Second one, B humanistic value training. 16th one, the teacher play an important role in inculcating the value of citizenship among students. What strategies do you follow in this regard so as to create an egalitarian society? February 2020, EDN first paper, Part A 5 4 20 marks. First question, discuss the nature and scope of philosophy of education. Second one, what is mean by community knowledge, how it is different from practical knowledge. Third one, write a note on Jewish discovery of learning. Fourth one, how does the liberty of teacher facilitate learning. Fifth one, briefly explain the language across curriculum. Sixth one, how did Pule envisage upliftment of marginalized sections. Seventh one, explain the concept of positive discipline. Eighth one, explain the principal dimensions of professional ethics for a teacher. Part B 5 10 jar 50 marks. Ninth question, discuss in detail Gandhiji's experiments in education and his contribution to Indian education. What is the relationship between philosophy and education? 11th one, discuss any two perspectives of on functions of school. 12th one, describe the debates on nature and selection of curriculum. 13th, explain the need and importance of humanization of education. 14th, what are the educational values? Describe classification of values. 15th one, what is mean by learner centered curriculum? Explain the role of teacher in the curriculum transaction. 16th one, body discuss the importance of knowledge of child rights to teach. These are previous papers. From next video onwards, one by one important questions we will go in detail. Thank you. Thanks for watching.